ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba Jong Sorkar Jelang Konrad Kongkel Sangma Hakakat Sao Terik Ubnai Nailor Arajar Arpuway Ulabo ya Mawnongrim ne kabenta bantai ya Khadi Plaza ne ka Market Complex ha Barik Shillong ha kabala sakilang do Chairman Jong Kamigalia Khadi and Village Industries Board uba Gavin M Millim lembat kiway Yakini ka project lamang pisah do arklor hanyo pulailak hanyo pun reo hajar hanreo spa prapusan tingka yang kabala bay dekat North Eastern Council but ya kabaan sepentrai pat dekat MIDC Limited ya kani ka yaw dukan an sa tay hado laimala ha kabaan sa depat ya kitiar snakti kangap kisne kitiar jingsle pen bhabreo ki jan ki nep ki berni nyat kejan but ki wai ki jat tiar balai phaujan.
As members of the governing board of the Meghalaya Khadi Village Industries Board, seeing the huge potential that this particular Gram Shilpa can bring, and considering the fact that it is present in one of the major hubs in the city, we believe that it can achieve great heights if it's fully modernized and if it's managed in a proper and skillful manner. And as a result, we started exploring for ways and means to ensure that this proposal for a new Khadi Plaza was materialized. So with regards to the project, we do hope so that once completed, it will be able to generate huge revenue for the board, where products like certified honey, hand-spun Khadi clothes and fabrics, products of our local artisans sponsored under the PMEGP and REGP scheme, and various other products will be marketed through this Khadi Plaza. It goes without mentioning that the board will require to review its present marketing strategies, also identify some more products in order to ensure that the ultimate benefit will be for our small farmers and entrepreneurs of our beloved state, Meghalaya. This Gram Shilpa, once completed, will continue and will therefore serve as a link between the market and our local artisans by providing them with a platform to showcase and sell their products, without which otherwise would have been very difficult due to lack of reach and various other factors. We have really benefited from his valuable suggestions on how, as a board, we should move forward in order to ensure the sustainability of our Meghalaya Khadi Village Industries Board. So with these few words, I would once again like to thank all the people who have been involved in order to ensure and in order to ensure the materialization of this long pending proposal of our Khadi board, the Khadi Plaza. This Khadi Plaza will really benefit our local artisans and will really benefit the people of our beloved state.
As a government, as I have been stressing all this while, that we have always felt that for an economic growth and economic story to be successful for any country or any state, the government has got a very limited role to play. And government should always have a role of a facilitator. The government should always provide the ecosystem, but ultimately it should be driven by the entrepreneurs, And that is the only way to create a successful and a robust economy, I should say. Therefore, entrepreneurship has to be the base for economic development and growth in the short, medium, and long term. And it's not that we don't have talent, we have the talent. But we realized that we're not able to provide the talent and these entrepreneurs the opportunity and the small support that they require. I'll tell you, entrepreneurs don't require, big support all the time. Even the smallest support that you can give them could be game changer for, the entrepreneurs. Sometimes entrepreneurs simply look for even a smile on the officer's face or on the banker's face to say, just give it a try, we're there to support you. Goes a long way in supporting entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurship is about an ecosystem. It's not about one or two businesses starting. The government, KVIC, VIB, and other organizations like this, we need to provide the ecosystem for entrepreneurship. We need to lead the way to create the culture for entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a culture. Risk-taking is a culture. You will find countries which are economically successful, young entrepreneurs come out at the age of 12, 13, 14, 15 because it's a part of their culture. Thankful to our chairperson who has taken the initiative to create this, and I'm sure this will be an iconic building, and I can assure the chairperson that from the government side, apart from the NDC funding, whatever additional support is required, we will be there to ensure that this comes out great, and I really hope that our artisans will benefit from this particular building and plaza that will come up. So therefore, we have a huge opportunity, not just in this, but in many other sectors. But all these activities and all these programs we do adds up to all the efforts that we